Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the basics out of the way so you stay online reliably. First, confirm a stable network connection. Once done, use wired Ethernet when possible because Wi-Fi drops cause presence changes. Make sure Teams is updated and you're signed into the correct work account. Updates fix background disconnection. Then adjust your device power plan. Prevent sleep for meeting windows and keep the device plugged in, so Teams can maintain presence and background sync without interruption. Once signed in, focus on presence and system behavior so Teams reports you as online. Open Teams settings and choose presence options that match your workflow. Set a custom duration if needed. Close or pause large downloads and streaming apps because CPU and bandwidth contention trigger inactivity. Make sure Teams can run in background on mobile or in system tray on desktop. This keeps heartbeat pings alive. Finally, adjust notification and focus, assist settings, so alerts don't force Teams into idle. You finish by validating and setting maintenance habits that keep you online. Run a short test call or ask a colleague to watch your presence for 10 to 15 minutes. This confirms settings are effective. Use a clear status message and scheduled status to let others know when you're available. If disconnection occurs, restart Teams first, then check VPN or proxy settings, and if problems persist, clear the Teams cache. One troubleshooting tip: disabling VPN briefly often reveals whether network routing causes presence drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.